One of the good things about attending the IBM Champions Day and User Group Day here at Think 2018 is that the people who come here get access to some of the top IBMers, the top technical IBMers from across the country. And I have with me here Selvan C, who came all the way from IBM India. He gets the award for traveling the most hours to get here, so congratulations, Selvan.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about what you do for IBM. I understand you're the principal data scientist, so tell us a little bit about what you do and tell us some of the interactions you've had with people today.
Okay. So basically, from India perspective, I'm part of the development community, especially from a capability development.
Nice.
Data science, I've conducted a small workshop at Chennai, 140 people attended IBMers.
Cool.
And now, next quarter, I'm conducting a data science workshop, 200 plus people attending.
Now, when you say data science workshop, so you're explaining people how they should approach data science problems, correctly?
It starts with the identification of the business problem.
Okay.
It talks about the various charters, problem statement and client brain problems. Starting there, it's also a 2 weeks course, data science course,
nice,
which I conduct, and I have a panel of team members, 100 plus people working for me in India.
Terrific.
And we train in various products like Python, SPSS. We have multiple avenues and sessions in data science.
Okay, so in addition to SPS and Python and others, you also do data science experience, right?
Data science experience is one of the modules that we teach in this course.
Terrific. So data science, hot topic for young kids coming up in school, right? And so coming to you and getting these workshops is a valuable addition to their education.
Right. I also designed a course for any new joinee or newcomer.
Okay.
The course is designed to 3 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3.
Okay.
So the level 3 is the most advanced, level 2 is intermediate, level 1 is a foundation kind of course.
Okay, terrific. Now tell me about some of the interactions you've had with people here at Think 2018.
Yeah, there was a session on SPSS and the roadmap for SPSS.
Okay.
And there was also a session on DSX.
Okay.
Especially on optimization, decision optimization.
Terrific.
One of the features of DSX. So 2 of the clients had some clarifications, which I was able to provide them during the tea break.
Nice.
On the specific clarification they had. In fact, one of the clients, T-Mobile, also asked to give a roadmap. I talked about a methodology, R3P. Reactive, proactive, preventive, predictive.
Okay.
He said he was interested, and I pointed him out to specific account managers also on this.
See, now that's a perfect example of why you should be an IBM champion, why you should be in these user groups, and why you should come to Think 2018. Selvan, thanks for giving me some of your time today.
Thank you.
All righty.